eternal piece for today. The poem I will be reading shortly is titled Vaidehi. The poem is set to a version of the Ramayana that we have imagined for you. Ramayana and Mahabharata are living epics. Wherever they travel, people reshape them, adapting stories to their own lands, cultures, and visions of life. Today there are 3,000 Ramayanas in the world, each sprung from the same source, the Valmiki Ramayana. Our version is in the form of a brief 3-act play, setting the stage for the poem. Vaidehi, as you know, is one of Sita's many names. Though titled after her, the poem really is about Ravan and his unrequited love for Sita. Please bear witness.
मैं हूँ राम, मेरी प्यारी अयोध्या भूमि से कोसों दूर इस विशाल समुद्र के पार मैं लंका के द्वार पर अपनी वैदेही को रावण से बचाने आया हूँ।
मैं जनक पुत्री वैदेही, मेरे राम की जन्म जन्मांतर से अर्थांगिनी, अपनी भारी शक्तियों का उपयोग कर रावण ने मुझे मेरे राम से दूर इस अशोक वाटिका में रख छोड़ा है।
यह मेरी लंका नगरी और यहाँ मेरे मन का 14 वर्षों का वनवास। यहाँ इस आदर्श राज्य में अपने अकेलेपन से जूझता हुआ मैं दिग्विजयी रावण।
Ravan is not the villain of Ramayana. To be a villain, he would have to be evil and wicked. Ravan is the hero equal, a learned man, a warrior's warrior, the king of kings blessed by the mighty Shiva. To Lanka's people, he is also a caring and just ruler. Under him, Ravan Rajya, not Ram Rajya. Under him, Ravan Rajya has become the model of good rule. Wary of him, a few kings from the mainland conspire to overthrow him. They are no match for him. Their only chance lies in baiting him into a war with Ayodhya, whose prince, Ram, they've heard, is a military genius. Opportunity arises at Vaidehi Swayamvar, the marriage ceremony where her suitors must lift and string the mighty Shiva's bow. Vaidehi is the princess of Mithila, whose glory the royal bards have conveyed to all corners of the Hindu world. From Cambodia to Indonesia to Thailand, her name is on every king's lips. Ravan too is enamored of her. He arrives in Mithila with his reputation preceding him. For him, Shiva's bow is no challenge. After all, what is Shiva's bow to a man who could lift Shiva's mountain? The conspirators, however, have a plan. Their insider in the Mithila port has secretly anchored the bow to the ground using a strand of Shiva's hairlock smuggled from the kingdom of Kanthal, where the great god had once cast it in rage.
रुकिए महाराज रावण, आप लोग ये कथा भी सुनिए। उमा देवी भगवान शिव की पहली पत्नी थी। उन्होंने अपने पिता के विरुद्ध शादी करी। जब वे एक दिन अपने मायके कांथाल गई, तब राजा दक्ष ने भगवान शिव का घोर अपमान किया। इस पीड़ा में उमा ने अग्नि में प्रवेश कर अपने प्राण त्याग दिए। जब ये समाचार महादेव जी को मिला, तो उनके क्रोध का बांध टूट गया। उन्होंने अपनी जटा से एक केश तोड़ा और भूमि की ओर देखा, जिससे कि 2 यक्ष उत्पन्न हुए, जिन्होंने राजा दक्ष और उनकी सेना का संहार किया।
The kingdom of Kanthal, near modern-day Haridwar, is where Shiva had flung the strand of his hair. It is from here that the conspiring kings have found the hair strand and smuggled it into Mithila to tie down Shiva's bow.
कोशिश करिए महाराज रावण। आइए राम। इधर आइए।
ताली बजाइए सीता से। In the Ramayana, two exiles run concurrently. One exile to which Ram goes, the other to which Ravan banishes himself. If Ram gives up his palace, his royal life and his security, Ravan finds himself deprived of his peace. For 14 years thereafter, he endures pain and despair, suffering ignominy and loss of reputation, so she might one day agree to be with him. Believing it, he does not kidnap her. But rescues her from the forest and puts her up in a safe house. However, he neither coerces her nor allows harm to befall her. He merely tries to prove how richly deserving he is of her heart and hand. Still, her consent never comes.
मुझसे युद्ध जीत पाना असंभव है, पर इस कामना का प्राय नहीं, वैध ही अडिग है, राम के लिए समर्पित है। हे विभीषण, तुम जाओ राम के पास और बता दो कि मेरी नाभि में ही है मेरी मृत्यु का राज। पर ध्यान रखना मेरे भाई, राम स्वाभिमानी है। अगर तुम उनसे कहोगे कि तुम मेरा दूत बनकर आए हो, तो राम ये रहस्य कभी नहीं स्वीकारेंगे। इसलिए उनसे कहना कि मैंने तुम्हें अपने राज्य से निष्कासित कर दिया है।
What Vibhishan conveyed to Ram was Ravan's own death wish. People say a warrior died that day. Few realize it's a lover who perished. Thank you very much.